Hey guys, it's Istebrak, and I have been announcing a PortraitStudio sale for the past 2 weeks, but it is now. PortraitStudio sale will be up sometime in the next couple hours. So what PortraitStudio is, what is PortraitStudio? It is a reference generating engine designed by myself and Abu, by artists for artists. It allows complete control over the camera, the light, and the model, so that you have a whole referencing studio ready at your fingertips. So anything that you might need while you're painting, it is good for any stage of the painting and production process. So studying, planning, blocking in values, needing a reference for the light, moving the light around, observing light changes, form changes, controlling the model, customizing the model, and all the way up till rendering and having it just right there, providing you with all kinds of detail, all kinds of knowledge that you are not maybe finding on a Google search, or that your references might not have. For this coming update, PortraitStudio will contain more variety in models, so a hand model, a fully posable hand model finally, an updated posable figure, mannequin male and female, more model variety, so for the static models, and then more form studies and geometric shapes for those who aren't really interested in fully rendering people but are interested in using it as a student. So it's for artists and students alike. It's an excellent teaching tool. More shapes, more props, basic weapons and foliage for filling in a room or completing an environment design. You'll be able to have more than one model at the same time in a scene, whereas before we just had one model at a time. So this update is massive. More models are always added with regular updates throughout the year, but this one really has the big bulk change. There is better performance options for enhanced lighting and texture. And there are lots of UI changes, so you won't recognize a lot of it. UI changes are there for more intuitive access to lighting and model options. So instead of having one menu, you have multiple menus at either side of the window. So these models come with all kinds of options, and we want it to be accessible for an uninterrupted workflow. They're quick, clean, and it's a nice, quick and clean access and a comfortable dashboard. And a complete trailer will be available soon, showing you how I use it personally and how I will use it for my own personal painting. And it will come with a complete time lapse of my painting and how PortraitStudio helped me plan and develop it from start to finish. So that will be available very soon. The reason why we held that off is we were waiting for PortraitStudio to get completed a little bit. Abu is really the director behind the UI changes and all of these. So it's really always up to him what PortraitStudio endures and changes, and he's always developing it 24/7. It's his full-time job, PortraitStudio. So we will have a trailer very, very soon. I myself will be painting something for it. I want it to be available for everyone. I also want us to stay just as transparent as possible with all of the updates and let you guys know, explain why the price goes up the way it does. We bring in a lot of assets, we put in a lot of time to develop it and perfect it, but at the same time I still want you guys to have a copy for yourself so you can benefit from it. So thank you everyone who purchased it. I will see you guys in class. Have fun and enjoy your copies. Bye.